How to fix the issue if your Tinder is stuck in the loading screen. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we will discuss what you can do to fix the issue if your Tinder app has been stuck in loading. So let's start. Now your app might be stuck in the loading screen where your internet connection is not strong. So make sure you have a strong internet connection at first. Then after try opening the app once again and you might have fixed it. The another method that you can do is try clearing the data and catch up the app. For that, you can simply locate the Tinder app on your device. After that, tap and hold it for a few seconds. Then after tap on this eye icon, it will take you to the app information. Scroll below and go to storage. Then after tap on clear data. As you do that, all of your data and the app will be cleared. Then after try opening the app once again and then log into the account. If you are still having problem even after doing all these steps, then you might want to reinstall the application. For that, simply locate the app on your device. Then after tap and hold it for a few seconds and then uninstall it. After uninstalling the application, go to the Play Store or App Store on your device and then install it again. Then try opening the app and then log into your account. So by these methods, you can fix the issue if your Tinder is stuck in the loading screen. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.